Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a great unboxing from the couch. I am unboxing PNAMN family budgets. I got this bingo savings challenge. I absolutely love this challenge. It looks so cute. I wanted to do more games on my channel, and I got this bingo. Here's her card, family budgets. And then there's a little QR code for you. She is on Etsy. She is here on YouTube also. I absolutely love her channel. Make sure to go like and subscribe her channel. And please like and subscribe this channel too. So I'm just taking a look at it here. I am doing a voiceover because there was a lot going on. But I wanted to open it so bad. So here I am trying to open it with one hand, struggling a little bit. But your girl is trying, okay? But I feel like this is so cute, so fun. I'm just, yeah, pulling everything out. Girl, get it out. Get it out. Oh, let me see. I'm trying to get it out. But this is so cute. And it came with a little box and the card and its own little cash envelope. Like, this is so cute. I do believe this is front and back. The bingo savings challenge. Oh, I gotta make me like a little game on cash stuffing binder. So I need to make that. But I love it. I'm gonna try to open it. You know, I'm trying to do this one-handedly, because I ain't getting no help. I'm sitting here on the couch. And I was trying to do the cash stuffing. Not the cash stuffing. I was trying to do my envelopes with my scratch off challenges. You can see them in the corner right there. I've been trying to figure this out. This was previously recorded, so those little scratch off challenges are sold out. So I am still sold out of that. So all right, back to this one. So you get like a little pink dry erase marker that you put in there, and you cross out each number that you get. And there is how to play, what you get in the box, which is super cute. And just, you could screenshot that, you could pause it, do whatever you want. I was just reading it. So put that back. Now I'm opening this up, the little chips. These are so cute. I love these. They're so cute, so colorful. And I love the little box that you put it in. So you draw one of the chips, and then you put it in that little box right there. Okay, so I finally got it opened. Girl, that was a struggle. Just a struggle bus over here. Okay, so I'm reading it again. I'm like, okay, how do you do this? So you put all the chips in the little velvet bag. And it's a pink velvet bag. Oh, and she has different colors on her website too. So I just pulled it all out. And I don't know, I just love playing with these little chips. Like, it's just so satisfying. And they're really small. Oh, dropped one. Well, they're really small. And then whatever you draw, you put in the little envelope. And then you cross it off. You try to find it on there. And then you cross it off. It's like a bingo. And if you get a bingo, I don't know, you get a little prize. Like, you could go buy you something nice. So this is really fun, because I love bingo. I want to play it. I want to play it so bad. I feel like it's super fun. Like once you get a bingo, you got to hurry up and say bingo and win. But this is me. I'm just trying to open all this stuff. This is so cute, because you know I had to get pink, girl. And I might bedazzle this box. You never know. Because I'm always trying to bedazzle something. I wish y'all could hear this, but it was really loud at my house. I had people walking, you know. There was a lot of people in my house. So it was kind of hard. But I couldn't wait to open this. was so cute. And I love the chips. Oh, it was just so satisfying. Here I go with the little struggle bus trying to do everything one-handed. I knew I should just grab my little camera stand and just set it up how I was supposed to set it up. But when I got it in the mailbox, I just could not wait. I wanted to open it so bad. But all right, you guys, that's it. That is them. And thank you for so much for watching. I will see y'all later. Bye. Yeah.